I'm an elder law attorney here in Florida, and here's how I would hire an elder law attorney for a power of attorney in another state. I'm Kellen Bryant, board certified in elder law by the Florida Bar. If you are looking for a power of attorney and needing a power of attorney, what I would look for in an attorney to do this is an elder law attorney. Now, depending on how rural your area is, it might be harder to find an elder law attorney versus more of a city-centric version. The elder law attorneys that it's easy to start with is NAELA, N-A-E-L-A. NAELA is a group of a National Association of Elder Law Attorneys, and any attorney that has that on there is going to be a little bit attuned to the issues, more so than any other types of attorneys. So if you were looking at trust and estate attorney, and you as a child are looking for power of attorney for your parent, in the trust and estate attorney world, they're wanting only to deal with the parent, not you. And that's because there's this thing called undue influence and lack of capacity. Those attorneys don't want their power of attorneys overruled. They might be dealing with high net worth people. But for elder law, we're not generally working with people with millions and millions of dollars. We're generally working with people between $10,000 and $500,000, maybe $1 million. And so it's usually elder law attorneys are looking for situations where it's a little bit more closer family connections rather than more aloof situations where families are spread out and not connected, because that's a big litigation danger risk that no attorney really wants to deal with. So you're looking for an elder law attorney that has bedside manner dealing with elderly people, and because getting a power of attorney done for a 50-year-old takes us like 3 minutes, but for an elderly person, it takes like 45 minutes to an hour and a half for a meeting to get this done, because you have to take time to explain things, and you are, as an elder law attorney, talking one-on-one with the client who may take a little while to process things. It's okay if your elderly parent takes a while to process something, as long as they understand the big idea of the power of attorney is, when you sign this document, this person you named right here in the document, they can take everything. So that's a big hurdle, because we want, as elder law attorneys, to avoid guardianships, because we're the ones usually doing the guardianship cases. And typically we don't have people coming in saying, oh, that guardianship case you did for me, that was great. Thank you for everything. I love it. Most people hate guardianship. So elder law attorneys are looking for to thread that needle to find the good situations to help good families. Comment below if you have any more questions.